Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from KingspetDesigns. Today, as I said earlier from the previous video, I'm going to be showing you how to insert images to your book. How to insert images to this particular book we have been working on. Remember, I just want to show you how to do all the whole formatting. I'm not here to actually show you how to do it from arrange your book from beginning to end, but this video is going to be very useful because it's going to help you in how to carry along along with all the whole designing aspect of your book. Just follow these tutorials and you are going to see that you are going to arrange your book effectively without stress. Okay, looking at what we are here for today, for inserting images into your book. How do we do that? It's very easy. I'm going to show you right away how to do that. Now I'm going to make sure I import my pictures into this book here. Let me assume, okay, I already have my picture somewhere. I have a picture I've done somewhere, so I'm just going to import the picture down. This is the picture I intend to use, so I'm just going to drag it and bring it down to my CorelDraw. Just going to drag it and bring it down inside. So this is the picture, that's the image. Now let me just reduce the size of the image. So can you see from here, I'm going to drag it inside the book. By the time I bring it inside this book now, you can see, let me reduce the size so that you see how everything looks like. Now let me assume I don't want this to be in the first page. This is the first, remember we are working with on page 1 of it. I want it to be in the page 2, so I'm just going to drag this out. Let me take it to the page 2 of it, which is this side. Now let me assume I want this to be in between here and there. So I'm just going to use my text tool, click, then let me create a space for it to come in. See, as I'm adjusting, it's going to be adjusting the whole page in the rest of the book. Now I'm going to bring this here. Let me zoom this part out so that you see. Now by the time I bring this, adjust it here, you can see by the time I adjust, remember this work is not yet text wrapped. It is not yet text wrapped. Because it's not yet text wrapped, if I can adjust this text, you see that if I should adjust this text backward, you see this image is going to close, that's it, to cover the text. So what I'm going to do, this is my text wrapping. You can see this is text wrapping, that's wrapping style. None, right now is on none. You can see the text can flow even through it, but I can set it to flow to right, flow to left, straddle the text. You can just choose anyone. Okay, I want to choose this particular one. You can see how the text, or above there, I want it above. Okay, let me choose this particular one. I want to choose this. For this text, I want to choose this. Now by the time I adjust, maybe I drag this, you can see it shifts the text. It's going to adjust the text. Okay, let me change the style now. If I choose this straddle text, now you can see it's going to cut through the text. By the time I adjust this, let me assume I adjust this, maybe I reduce the size of this. By the time I reduce the size, you can see how it goes. Let me reduce it so that you see properly. So you now see how the whole text goes. Now if I bring this, you can see that it flows, the text flows through and out. It flows evenly across the text. So now you can see Corel X12, X11, X12 goes that way. That's how it goes using our text wrapping. Now by doing this, now you can see that it gives space for our text to run through evenly without affecting the work, maybe covering any part of the work using the text wrapping. Now let me click on this. Now let me select another part of the text wrap. You can see when I select, let me assume I select this up, you can see it gives space. When as this ends here, it gives space for it to continue below it. So there's nothing here and there's nothing here. So you can see that by doing this, our work looks neater and easier while doing audio inserting of the images and others. Let me just increase this size a little. Let me take it to something 20 and 20. Then you can see my image. I can now adjust it to the way I want it to be. Now let me now go back and show you the effectiveness of my, okay, let me copy this out. By the time I adjust, and remember earlier I took it downward, so I'm just trying to close up the gap. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, let me come back to where I have my page 6. You can see the page 6 now because of the adjustments. If I, let me show you something here. When I do click on this and I drag and draw an extension of it here, you see that the page 6, because of the image I inserted, it pushed down some of the text to the next page. So they were hidden because I created this out. It's now shifted. That's you cannot see those hidden parts of the text here. That is the effect of our paging. When we page our work evenly, even though we come to the first part of it and do any adjustment, it will do audio adjustment to all the whole pages. So the adjustment is going to affect all the whole pages. But when we just maybe insert it differently, it will make our work difficult for us. Like now you can see I cannot take this part of it, this work that way, another page entirely, and set it up there. Alright, I think this is all for now. This is where I'm going to stop for this segment of this tutorial. I guess if you have any question related to this particular section of these tutorials, that's the whole book, how to create your and set up your ebooks from entirely. If you have any question in any part of it, you can drop your question in the comment box below. I will try my best to attend to you to the questions. If it is one that will require for me shooting another video on how to solve that problem, I'm going to do that for you. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please better do and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button and so that you get notified each time I upload new video. Until next time, remember to share this video and always come back. I'll be uploading several series of tricks and things that will be helpful for you to learn in CorelDraw. Remember, no one is perfect. Every day we have to be learning. So for you to be up to date, you have to ensure you always come around to watch videos that will be useful to you. Alright, until next time, thank you for staying by. Bye.